We live on a massive planet. Earth has over 7.5 billion people on it, all living out their lives every second of every day. And of those 7.5 billion people, almost 3 billion of us have smartphones. As technology continues to try and connect us all together, we feel more disconnected now than ever before. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if we could shrink the world and stay in touch in a whole new way? Chirp GPS is an intelligent mobile technology that connects people together in real time by using their smartphones as a GPS location sharing device. Chirp GPS understands you don't want to feel tracked and you don't want to feel like you are being watched. That's why there are multiple privacy settings inside the interface to let you control when and how people find you. Let's face it, as marvelous as our world is, the reality that we must face and cannot dismiss is knowing where on the planet someone is at any moment can sometimes be the difference in life or death. There are a multitude of different situations that we each face every day, like driving, meeting new people, discovering new places, or even just walking somewhere. Each of them can be exponentially safer by sharing your location with other people. Chirp GPS works by running in the background of your mobile device and sharing your current location in real time with other people. There is no additional hardware required. And the intelligent engine that keeps Chirp GPS reliably sending your location information, it also knows when you aren't moving, so battery usage is decreased to less than 10% per day. Chirp GPS has the most advanced location sharing features found anywhere. Through the mobile and web interface, you can view someone's location in real time, see how fast they are moving, what direction they are going, even how far away they are from you. View the crime in the area around them. See the weather conditions where they are, what their current battery level is, and get their GPS signal strength. You can chat with them privately, get turn-by-turn directions to their location, and even be alerted when they are in trouble using the dedicated panic alert feature that works just by pressing the app icon or from the Today widget screen. And all of this location history is available for 30 days. Plus, it's downloadable. Chirp GPS even works when there is no connection to the internet. It works inside cars, trucks, planes, even if the device has been restarted. And if needed, you can lock the install of Chirp GPS on a device, so it acts like a black box beacon that can't be tampered with unless you have the password. Building on the incredible set of location sharing and tracking features inside Chirp GPS, it also lets you locate someone just by using their cell phone number. The other person doesn't even need Chirp GPS installed on their device for you to find them. And if you don't want always-on location sharing features enabled, you can share your location for only specified times with anyone, including over social media and those without Chirp GPS. Just broadcast your location and Chirp will automatically turn off when you tell it to. You can also set unlimited places and geofence boundaries that alert you when someone comes into or leaves that place. You can create location meetups, check in anywhere, plus use Chirp GPS for business using the location sharing reporting tools. Chirp GPS is powerful, but most of all, it's reliable and safe. Protect yourself. Protect the people in your life. Learn more by going to chirpgps.com.